A friend of a friend was selling these wine barrels. I think I paid like 80 bucks each for them. They sat in my garage for like a year, but we got some use out of them. People on the internet do so many cool things with these barrels, and it's crazy how much people charge for this stuff. I decided to make something like this, and I started by washing and sanding the barrels. The wood planks, or staves, that make up the barrel aren't glued in. They're just held with pressure as they push against the metal hoops. Over time, the staves will loosen, and the hoops will just start falling down. So you have to add these self-tapping sheet metal screws. I did 2 rows of them in 3 different sections. Next, I stained the barrel. You can still smell the wine in these barrels. So to preserve that, I needed to buy a cork, which I learned is officially called a bung plug stopper, which I guess means this is called a bung hole. Always learning new things. Here's those screws again. I bought a piece of glass on Facebook for like 20 bucks, and I just bought these corks. I used a clear plastic tube cut up in little segments and glued them to the metal ring on the top so that the glass would sit on that. And that's it.